How to recognize signs of a dog with a broken tail at the middle or middle tip. Dogs have always been known for their wagging tails, which often signify their happiness and excitement. However, just like any other part of their body, a dog's tail is susceptible to injury. One common injury that can occur is a broken tail. As a responsible pet owner, it is crucial to be able to recognize the signs of a dog with a broken tail, especially if the break occurs at the middle or middle tip. In this video, we will discuss how to identify these signs and provide guidance on what to do in such a situation. 1. Swollen or bent tail. When a dog's tail is broken at the middle or middle tip, it may become swollen or bent in an unnatural way. You might notice a visible deformity in the tail, indicating that something is wrong. If your dog's tail appears to be unusually curved or swollen, this could be a sign of a fracture. 2. Pain and discomfort. A dog with a broken tail will likely experience pain and discomfort. You might observe changes in their behavior or notice signs of agitation, such as excessive vocalization, restlessness, or constant licking or biting the tail area. They may also be reluctant to wag their tail or have difficulty sitting or lying down comfortably. 3. Lack of tail movement. The tail plays a crucial role in a dog's communication and expression of emotions. A dog with a broken tail may exhibit limited or no movement in their tail, particularly in the affected area. They might attempt to wag their tail, but the broken segment will not move as freely or energetically as usual. It is important to note that a dog's tail is not fragile from base to tip. Therefore, if only the middle or middle tip is affected, the tail might still have some movement towards the base. For bleeding or open wounds. In severe cases, a broken tail may result in bleeding or open wounds. If you notice any blood or visible cuts around your dog's tail, it is a clear indication that their tail is injured. It is crucial to address these wounds promptly to prevent any infections. 5. Unusual tail positioning. A dog with a broken tail may hold their tail in an abnormal position. The tail might be tucked between their legs or slightly raised when it should hang naturally. The positioning will depend on the severity and location of the break. However, any unusual tail positioning should raise concerns and warrant further examination by a veterinarian. What to do if you suspect a broken tail. If you suspect that your dog has a broken tail, it is important to seek veterinary attention immediately. The veterinarian will perform a thorough examination, which may include X-rays, to assess the extent of the injury. They will then recommend appropriate treatment options, which may include pain medication, splinting, or in severe cases, surgery. During transportation to the vet, it is crucial to handle your dog with care, ensuring minimal movement of the tail. You can gently immobilize the tail by using a towel or wrapping it loosely to prevent further injury. Preventing tail injuries. Prevention is always better than cure when it comes to your furry friend's well-being. To minimize the risk of tail injuries, consider the following tips. 1. Avoid pulling or tugging your dog's tail. Not only is it painful, but it can also lead to fractures or dislocations. 2. Secure your surroundings to prevent your dog from accidentally hitting their tail against furniture or doors. If you have a small or energetic dog, consider using baby gates or adjusting the environment to reduce the chances of accidents. 3. Supervise your dog during playtime with other dogs or when interacting with larger animals. Tail injuries can occur from excessive rough play or bites. In conclusion, being able to recognize the signs of a dog with a broken tail is essential for any responsible pet owner. Look out for signs such as a swollen or bent tail, pain and discomfort, lack of tail movement, bleeding or open wounds, and unusual tail positioning. If you suspect a broken tail, seek immediate veterinary attention. Remember, prevention is key to avoid such injuries, so be mindful of your dog's surroundings and take necessary precautions to keep their tail safe.